Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your Apple ID email address on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to verify your Apple ID email address on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device, and now tap on your profile, and now tap on sign in and security, and here you will see your email addresses and your phone number. Since you want to verify your email address, you have to simply tap on add email or phone number, and then you have to simply tap on existing email address from here, and after this you have to simply enter your email address from here as well. So guys, enter your email address, and after this you will be able to send a verification code to your email address from here. So guys, you can see this. You have to simply tap on continue after putting your email address, and after this it will ask you to verify your email address with a code. So guys, a code will be sent to your email address, then you will have to put that code on here, and after this your email address will be verified. So guys, in this way you can also verify your email address of your Apple ID on your Apple device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.